Featured in our sports news, Manila's iconic Lope de Vega basketball court recently introduced a mural honoring the leaders of the United Arab Emirates, or UAE, symbolizing the UAE's strong partnership with the Philippines. More details from Henry Nicolas.
Paying tribute to United Arab Emirates or UAE leaders unveiled at the iconic Lope de Vega basketball court in Manila on Friday. A magnificent basketball court artwork showcasing the images of UAE leaders, which the Philippines' best partners. The said world-class masterpiece pays homage to the UAE's esteemed leaders and serves as a heartfelt tribute from the Filipino community, acknowledging their profound impact on countless lives through exceptional leadership and generosity. Apart from the estimated 700,000 OFWs who work with them, they also distribute food packs when there is a calamity happening in the Philippines. This includes more than 50 tons of humanitarian aid that the country provided to the affected families when the Mayon volcano erupted in Albay. In addition to this, the UAE's donation of 100,000 COVID-19 vaccines RT-PCR machines.
Una po sa lahat, ang tribute po na ito ay nagre-represent ng daan-daan libo or countless na Filipinos po na natulungan na po ng UAE sa pamamagitan po ng mabuting mas magandang trabaho, mas magandang hanap buhay para sa mga Pilipino po na once na nawala ng pag-asa dito po sa ating mismong bansa na nakapag-abroad po sa Dubai ay nagkaroon siya ng mas magandang buhay po.
In addition to this, the UAE government donated of 100,000 COVID-19 vaccines and RT-PCR machines. The choice of the Lope de Vega basketball court holds significant importance for Filipinos, especially passionate basketball enthusiasts, as it stands as a cherished location for local Filipino basketball players. The artwork stands as a testament to the unwavering support extended by the UAE to the Philippines during crucial moments.
Ng UAE po sa Pilipinas sa maliliit at mahihirap na Pilipino na kailangan ng trabaho, ng tulong ng oras ng pandemya, na pagbigay pasasalamat, ma'am. Yun lang po, maliliit na pasasalamat. At saka syempre, ang binibigay din po kasi na magandang tulong ng Dubai sa mga Pilipino is the best as they can or the best po na tulong sa Pilipino. Kaya nagawa kami ng ganitong uri po ng program or ng tribute with the best, one of the best I know.
This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.